Okay, so one of the blessings of junk hauling is sometimes you get stuff for free, and we've had over the last few weeks we've been collecting some 2x4s and some scrap plywood and that kind of stuff. And my son Jeremiah and I here have been working on our skateboard ramp, which is right, and he's going to show you a few tricks on them. Jeremiah, did it come together pretty well?
Good.
What are some of the tools we use?
We use drill, a couple types of saws.
Yeah, we laid down the chalk line. We did that.
Down the chalk line.
Yeah, and then both a jigsaw and a circular saw. And anyway, skateboarding out here. We'll see how it goes. Well, the skateboard ramp has turned out to be a big success. I went ahead and put some casters on the end so we could stand it up and roll it in and out of the garage. It's not weatherproof, it's masonite, so a little bit of water would ruin the thing, but Jeremiah has already improved quite a bit, so it's turned a bunch of junk into a nice little project. Which reminds me, sometimes we have customers ask us, what do you do with the junk you're taking away? And we recycle what we can. There's some stuff obviously that you can't take anywhere. There are old shelves, or the pets have used them as their litter box or whatever, so in those cases we do have to take them to the landfill. But if we can find a way to reuse it or donate it, we certainly try to do that. So give us a call. We'd love to haul some junk away from you and make your life a little more hassle-free. Because remember, at Gutsy Junk Fox, we're trying to outfox clutter one garage at a time. All right, we'll see you next time.